Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this 30 feet long cleaning kit that we got on Amazon. This is the first time I'm actually opening this, so I want to do a full review. I also want to try this for the first time with you guys here in this video, so we can all see how well this works. We did a lot of research on Amazon to find, the perfect cleaning kit so we could finally clean our windows outside. We have high ceilings too as well in our house, and it's very hard to reach some parts of the house, so that's the reason why we got this kit. So the brand is Extended Reach. It has a lot of amazing reviews on Amazon. This is why we chose this one in particular. I'm gonna show you all the tools that come with it. So right here you have the squeegee. I think that's how you call it. So you have this side that you can wash the window, and this one you can wipe it down. It also comes with these two dusters. And the coolest thing is you can shape this for any area of your house. Let me see if I can. I won't be able to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna shape it and show you how it looks like. So yeah, this is flexible, and as you can see, you can shape to any size and shape that you need, which is pretty cool. So you have this cloth duster and also the feather duster that you can also shape to any shape that you want. So both of these, you can just change the shape and use them around your house, which is pretty cool. And another really cool thing, you don't have to attach this to the pole. You can actually, just use it like this as well. So yeah, that's another great thing about these. And last but not least, they give you, I think this is a window washer, for you to scrub your window, but it doesn't necessarily needs to be just for the window. You can use this in other places as well. And right here we have the pole. So this is 7 feet tall, and you can extend this up to 30 feet tall, which is crazy. But anyway, now I am gonna stop talking and I'm going to try this on our outside window and see how they do. All right, so these right here are the windows that I cannot reach, so I'm gonna clean that one and show you guys. I love this thing. It made it so much easier to clean those windows. Yeah, this thing is amazing. Very sturdy, very sturdy. I had no problems scrubbing with this little guy right here and then just wiping it down. Yeah, it was so quick. And I feel like the thing that I like the most about this cleaning kit is how versatile it is. You can use this in so many places. It's crazy. I'm going to use this in one more place inside the house, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, this thing is amazing. You can actually see all the dust. We never cleaned that, by the way. So yeah, pretty cool to have this around.